Lately, environmental issue has been a very popular and serious topic in many discussions. That concern comes from the information and horrible facts stated by scholars in many platforms, and the younger generation want to do something about this. And this condition raised a question: is it necessary to criminalize individuals and organizations who do not recycle their waste? According to National Waste Management Information System from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry of the Republic of Indonesia, the amount of waste in 2021 reached 27,780,389.07 tons annually. From this amount, it is stated that 40.8% of this waste come from individual parties. It reaches almost half of the total amount. The waste that come from offices and organizations reach a total amount of 8.3%. The data shows that both parties play a big role in the national environment condition. According to European Environmental Agency, most of the countries with low landfilling rates have high recycling and incineration rates, both about 30% of their total municipal waste. Those countries are Germany, Sweden, Switzerland, and each send less than 2% of their municipal waste to landfills. Waste itself could cause major national problems and changes, especially to the sectors of environment, health, economic, and social. According to World Health Organization, improper disposal, one of it being to recycle, the waste can lead to adverse health outcomes. For example, through water, soil, and air contaminations. This is a very serious environment topic. Because of this, vulnerable groups such as children are at increased risk of adverse health outcomes. Poor waste collection leads to environmental and marine pollution and can block water drains, resulting flooding and other standing waters in waste items, favor cholera, and vector-borne disease such as malaria and dengue. Now, we're in a condition of bonus demography, where the productive generation, the productive citizens, are much more than the older generation. And if this continues, if children is constantly at risk for health condition, for health issues, then it will endanger the potential of youths. The next is that waste could also impact the nation's economy. For example, first, according to Making Clean Plastic Free, the accumulation of plastic waste is estimated to cost the national economy $2.91 billion per round, or 39 billion, or around 39 trillion rupiah per year. The second is that Ministry of National Development Planning of the Republic of Indonesia, together with Waste for Change, launched study results of food loss and waste, or FLW. It is stated that food loss and waste in Indonesia cause economic losses of 213 to 551 trillion Indonesian rupiah per year, or equivalent to 4 to 5% of Indonesia's gross domestic product per year. Those two waste, plastic and food loss, are two of the most numerous compositions, with 29.9% for food waste and 15.5% for plastic, according to the National Waste Management Information System from Ministry of Environment.